Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into a new year. We are talking about a whole new batch of everything, and I really wanted to take the time before we got into another year of makeup videos and skincare videos and self-care videos. I wanted to sort of reset and take some time to go over some self-care tips, ways that you can really prioritize you this year, ways that you can take care of yourself better this year. And I don't mean bougie expensive skincare. I don't mean a 13-step skincare routine. I'm talking little ways that you can help to improve your life in any way possible. And this, I'll get into the whole thing in a little bit. But if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. And my new lights are here, which means I'm finally visible even at nighttime. So I will actually go back to posting every other day. Anyway, let's jump into it. Jumping right in, a friend of mine sent me a TikTok video and I have to track it down, but it was basically like treat yourself the way you would treat the love of your life. And it was about this woman on TikTok talking about like she went out to dinner the other night and was picking something up for herself, and how do you treat the love of your life? She got herself dessert. Little things like that. And things that we are our worst critics and we do and say the worst things to ourselves. And I want this year my main focus to really be resetting and making myself a priority. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. So while we talk about that, I want to go through a few little things I could do. First, I do want to give a shout out to Mount Tracks. I will put a video up on the screen, but right now, as we speak, my feet are going through the most like intense massage right now. This is not the type of product I typically talk about. This is not sponsored. They're not paying me for this, but they did send this over in PR. And when I tell you that I set this up under my desk and it is warming and kneading the bottom of my feet and like constricting and vibrating and pulsing, and it is just like the most magical experience. And this is a little way that I can treat myself, because this is the type of thing where I would like use it once and then put it in the closet and then forget it existed. And this year, like, I have set up room under my new desk for this to live so that when I'm here and I'm just working at the computer or I am editing or I'm filming, there is no reason that I can't be getting like a full-on foot massage right now. So this is less about like go out and buy a foot massager. If that's something you're into, I will link it down below. But that's not what I mean by this. What I mean by this is something that I have access to. This is something that I've had that I would normally just keep in a closet somewhere, that I'm really trying to take the time this year to have out and really be a focus for me, because who doesn't deserve to have their foot rubbed all day, every day, right? Another thing, and I know it's really simple, I live by these water bottles because I feel like I can never drink enough water. And when I am hydrated, I usually do like 3 of these a day. When I am hydrated, I'm in a better mood, I feel better, my skin is clearer, my skin is glowier, and just all around health-wise, drink more water will make you feel better. I have a plant back here. I cannot tell you the last time I had a plant. I know in my old studio I had one, but Brandon took care of that one. I never watered it. I never remembered to water it. 2 studios ago, I had a plant. Brandon watered it. I never remembered. Plants need water. We need water. I am going to make sure I'm drinking my water. Another little thing I've been doing, I work from home. I work remote. I don't really have to leave the house often. Like right now, it is 9:30 on a Saturday night. Brandon is at work, and I'm filming. This is what I do. So I don't leave the house a ton, and I've really been trying so much more that even on the days where I'm not doing much besides working on the computer, I've always been that neurotic person where I have to shower twice a day or I can't function. I wake up and I shower before I go to bed. But what I've added into that is like even on the days where I'm hanging out on the couch and just on my computer all day working, still doing my hair. I am still getting dressed. Like I'm not in sweatpants. I'm wearing my like regular going out into the world pants, which the last time I worked fully remote was during COVID, and I was in sweatpants and basketball shorts all day, every day. I am not letting myself be that way anymore. I am taking the time to get dressed, even if it's just to sit on the couch. I don't want to be in like sweats all day. I don't feel like that helps me be the most productive me. And part of that means every day I'm putting on fragrance again. The amount of fragrances I have, and I'm in love with fragrance, I just have been neglecting and not wearing. That's such a waste. I recently actually got sent, my current favorite is by Skylar Beauty. It's called Peach Fields. They launched it about a month ago. It's got, I'm going to pull up the notes because it is that good. Again, not sponsored, just something I'm loving. So the notes in here are white peach, sandalwood. It is woodsy and fruit forward. It is really, really bright. This is one of those things that to me is like, I want it to be winter. And I pulled out the Benefit Georgia blush because this is also scented. And it has a very similar like fragrance to it. But I love the way that this fragrance is just very warm and summer with that like a lot of the fragrances I wear are very oody and leather and musky. And this one is very, I said warm, but warm was the wrong word. Think like sunshine, I think warm. It has that peach blossom and it has that sandalwood. So it's like, it's not your typical like, oh my God, I'm wearing a peach body mist. It's got sophistication to it, but like this is the one that has been living on my vanity in my, or my desk in my studio. Cause I'll get in here and be like, oh, I didn't put on fragrance. Pop a little bit of this on and it just like brightens everything up and wakes me up a little bit. And it's one of those things where during COVID, I stopped wearing fragrance. I would take a shower and go from my sleeping sweatpants into my couch and working sweatpants. And I would put on an oversized hoodie, get super comfortable on the couch. And unless I was filming, and in that case, I was just in a plain t-shirt most of the time, no fragrance. And it is one of my favorite categories of beauty, favorite categories of self-care, and something that I completely neglected. So I will link this down below as well, exclusively available at Sephora. Again, nothing today is sponsored. I'm just linking things because these are things that I love and things that I have noticed are making an impact on my life. Making sure that I am readily drinking more water. This is actually, now it's empty. I need to refill it. I am going through a foot massage. I smell fantastic. And because of the scent, it's just giving me this like awake, peachy, bright time to keep going. And to me, that's a motivator. You know, I've always spoken for a million years, not a million years, but since I started my channel, how much I love face mists because to me, it's like spa in a bottle, give yourself a little extra love. And I'm trying to not just have face mists be the only way I pamper myself. I want, like, I'm back to doing a full 12-step skincare routine with my Foreo and like masks. And these are not things, you don't need to do all of this. You don't even need to do half of this. But I think what I'm getting at is like my goal for the year is what are the ways that you can take a little extra time, if any, to treat yourself a little bit better this year? And for me, that's getting a foot massage and staying hydrated and wearing fragrance and showering myself in face mist and all of these things that, you know what, they don't seem super significant, but when you add them up, I love filming. I love making content. This is something that's always been a passion of mine. If you've been on my channel for 5 minutes or you've been on it for 5 years, you know I love just sitting down and filming. But there's something to be said when you're also getting a vibrating, massaging foot massage while you're having a conversation. It just makes things so much better in every way. And it's not that it was bad before, but like there are little ways that you can boost your routine and boost your day and make yourself feel better and motivate yourself to do better, do bigger, do more. There's no reason not to. And that is going to be my goal for the year. So I know that got a little ranty, but like to me, that was an important message. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. What are the ways that you're spoiling yourself this year? What are the ways that you are taking it to the next level? I would love to hear it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.